Hey everyone, Av here again. I'm really excited to announce that Reactiv has a major upgrade coming out. Get it as soon as you can because there's some amazing changes, 110. So what are the differences? Well, we've heard you. We've looked at all the problems. We've heard tons of customer support requests. And the big change here, cameras, they're completely GPU. So now they render high resolutions, very high frame rates, without taxing down your CPU. You'll see an immediate performance improvement regardless of the camera that you're actually using. Number two, adding in web links and a lot of UI elements were really complicated with Reactiv before. So I want to show you there's some really neat things here now. For example, I can click on this add URL. I can easily type in a URL or cut and copy ppc.ca. Let's just say we did this. I can cut and copy right from Chrome, and you'll see that this website can be added and a lot of clicks have been minimized. And that website's also here inside my dock and inside my workspace. So now not only that, we've improved all the UI relating to the toolbars, how they work, how they don't disappear on you suddenly when you need them, and how they actually need to disappear when you don't need them. We changed up all the logic. So a lot of this UI is much more responsive. The third big thing is complete support for Excel. So you know that we've supported Word and PowerPoint in the past, but we've done some really neat things. Take a look at this. Excel documents open up like a real Excel sheet now. You can see that they have all of the column, they have row IDs, and more importantly, we have the ability to go ahead and mark up this Excel document and save it back natively with ink injected. So now we completely support Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. So if I go back to that file folder, you'll see that there's a new Excel document right here, and it has the ink and all of my markup as an embedded and editable object. So that's a really big deal. So what else has changed? You'll see that the performance of the app is dramatically improved in every way. Less memory, faster load times, PowerPoint, Word documents, thumbnails, how they get generated, how quickly you can load up the app. In every way, it has been improved. So download and upgrade as quickly as you can, and we'd love to hear your feedback because your feedback has helped us make this product better and better, and we're really excited for you to check this out. Thanks again.